Do you want a change email in your account booking.com? Okay, we are going to in Booking, okay, in Booking app, and here, okay, in the search, okay, go to down, okay, and go to profile, okay, in the bar navigation, okay, go to profile, and here in this option we have more options here, okay, and go to the first option in manage your account, okay, and here we have more options, okay, and go to email addresses, okay, and here do you change your email, okay, in your account booking, okay, and bye bye.